my lovely kids, and today we are just try this answer the following questions. So paying attention this time here. Okay, answer the following questions. So first question, what are the factors required for setting up an industry? What are the factors required for setting up an industries? Okay, so let's see this question. Okay, here we have written here. First of all, you have to fill the date, Monday 25th January 2021. Okay, answer the following question, what are the factors required for setting up an industry? So raw materials, machines, power, water, transport, marketplace, labor and money are the factors required for setting up an industries. Okay, raw materials, machines, power, water, transport, marketplace, labor and money are the factors required for setting up an industry. Second question, let's see. Have a look here. Second question, name the states that have iron and steel industries in India. So what is the answer? Answer is Orissa, Karnataka, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh is the right answer. Okay. Now let's see third question. How would you justify the role of industries in the development of our country? Industries have played an important role in the development of the nation. India is rapidly developing to become one of the most industrious nations of the world. The growth of industries is very useful for the overall progress of our country. Industries help us to make our lives comfortable. Indian industries are making all efforts to keep pace with the latest technology. India has emerged as one of the leaders in the fields of computer science, software development and space research. So let's see fourth question, explain in brief any two major industrial centers in India, and fifth, distinguish between cottage industry and large scale industry. So we have left both question here. Okay, so you have to write this both question in yourself and only you have to do this work in your rough notebook. Clear? So answer the following question. We have already till here third question. Okay, and we have completed this chapter. Okay, which chapter is this? Yes, so Indian industry, this chapter. Okay, so three questions you have to do and both question you have to do in your rough notebook. Clear? Three question you have to do, you have to write in your SST notebook, and both question you have to do in your write in your rough notebook. Clear? Then I'll check and then you will do this work in your SST notebook after that. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Keep safe at home.